Izilwanyana ezili-100 zokukhala. What does that mean?
The first 100 animals.
Okay. Ikati.
Ikati.
It's a cat, Nana. Inja is a winky. Inchonsho lekati.
Inchonsho lekati.
Does inchonsho mean baby?
Yes.
Inchonsho lenkuku, a baby chicken.
Hey, a chicklet.
This is abantwana efama, the babies of the farm.
Yes. Farm babies.
Itakane lebokwe, a book. Lebokwe is a book. A goat.
Yeah.
I don't know animals. Never mind animals in Afrikaans. Inchonsho leahu.
It's not Afrikaans.
Lechahu.
It's not Afrikaans. What's G in this clause?
Leagu. Amakolwase. Amakolwase. I forgot what that is in Afrikaans. What is it in English?
A flamingo.
A flamingo. Actually,
a flamingo.
A flamion.
A flamingo.
Imvubu. Yo, that's the most Ngozi animal Namaqibi in the world. They are.
Just say it. What did you add, Namaqibi?
What animals? Zokukhala.
Isilwanyana. Zokukhala is the first.
Izilwanyana. Ingozi izilwanyana.
Yes, Isilwanyana. Ingozi izilwanyana.
Inquka. Inquka.
Yeah.
Ikama.
That's it.
I don't know. A deer.
It's a deer.
Igorilla. Guess what's that?
Igorilla.
And Isiquenene sasemerica. Isiquene, that one. And then there's another Isiquenene. So Isiquenene is bird.
No. It's a parrot. Because otherwise quenene is someone who repeats what you say.
Oh, this is the important one, Zaki. Izilwanyana zasemzansi Africa. Okay. We need to know all of these ones. I'm testing you tomorrow. Indlovu, Mase, Ndondon, Umalusi.
Oh, Ndlovu, what's Umalusi?
That's your clan name, Zaki.
Zaki's falling asleep. Amagala.
Oh, Zaki looks like Amagala. Amir Kaiki. Iminiba is an ostrich. What's an ostrich in Afrikaans?
I don't know. What is it?
A volstruis.
Wow.
Ihlingezi is a dolphin. Iguane is an octopus. Ukrebe is a crab.
KR is... Does that sound you learning for the first time?
Yes. What is it?
So KR is... Yeah.
But it's not a crab.
Crab?
Yeah.
It's a shark.
It's a shark. Ununkala is a crab. Izilwanyana zase Australia. No, Zaki. Oh, sana. Izinambuzane izihubuluzayo.
Oh, you got the sound. That's a queen.
I am imbovane. I don't know insects. I don't like them. I don't know what that is.
It's an ant.
Oh. Ipela. Ooh, Amapela.
Because of the small taxis in this London.
I know you. That's why I remember that one. Ikangaroo.
Ikangaroo. Issue.